The 21st of January 2022 is a historical day that marks the 50th year of Meghalaya's statehood. It may be reminded that in 1970, Meghalaya was carved out as an autonomous state from the erstwhile undivided Assam. However, it was on 21st of January 1972 that Meghalaya was declared a full-fledged state. To commemorate this great historical event, the government of Meghalaya had organized a function on the 21st of January 2022 at the Jawaharlal Nehru Sports Complex in Polo Grounds, Shillong, where various items that included the airing of the DIPR's documentary on the statehood movement, the presentation of the Meghalaya Day Excellence Award and the Chief Minister's Police Medal Awards, the presentation of the Arts and Culture Department's docudrama Meghalaya, Yesterday, Today and Tomorrow, a special performance by the Shillong Chamber Choir, the sealing of the memory crate, and most importantly, keynote addresses from Prime Minister Narendra Modi and Chief Minister of Meghalaya Conrad K. Sangma formed part of the program.
The memory crate is being locked using a traditional lock made in the Milim village, as we call it in Kasi, Katala Milim.
To wish each and every citizen of Meghalaya a very happy Meghalaya Day, especially on this Golden Jubilee celebration of our state. As we celebrate the Golden Jubilee of our beautiful state, we do look back at our history. We also work together for our future. Friends, on this very, very momentous and important occasion, we look back at the last 50 years. We remember the contributions that have been made by the great leaders who contributed to our statehood. We remember all the individuals who have contributed. We remember the different political parties that contributed. We remember the different organizations. We remember the different families, the traditional institutions, the community, the unsung heroes who spent many days in prison so that we could enjoy the fruits of having our own state of Meghalaya.
मैं आज अभिनंदन करता हूं 50 साल पहले जिन्होंने मेघालय के स्टेटहुड के लिए आवाज उठाई, उनमें से कुछ महान विभूतियां इस समारोह में मौजूद हैं। उनको भी मेरा प्रणाम। साथियों, मुझे अनेक बार मेघालय आने का सौभाग्य मिला है। जब आपने मुझे पहली बार प्रधानमंत्री के तौर पर सेवा का अवसर दिया, तब मैं शिलोंग में नॉर्थ ईस्टर्न काउंसिल मीट में हिस्सा लेने आया था। 3-4 दशक के अंतराल के बाद एक प्रधानमंत्री का इस आयोजन में हिस्सा लेना, शिलोंग पहुंचना मेरे लिए अविस्मरणीय अनुभव था। मुझे खुशी है कि पिछले 50 साल में मेघालय के लोगों ने प्रकृति के पास होने की अपनी पहचान को मजबूत किया है। सुरीले झरनों को देखने के लिए, स्वच्छ और शांत वातावरण अनुभव करने के लिए, आपकी अनूठी परंपरा से जुड़ने के लिए देश दुनिया के लिए मेघालय आकर्षक स्थान बन रहा है।